Welcome back, everyone. I hope you are all doing well today. And if this is your first time here, welcome to the Alpha Deriv Dbot family. Today we are continuing our journey. And yes, this is day 4 of the new challenge. A fresh day, a fresh session, and another real update with full transparency. Before we go any further, take 1 second and hit the like button, because that one click supports this series a lot. And it helps YouTube push this video to more serious traders. Now subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Subscribe right now and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss the daily updates. And I want to say it again. Subscribe and like this video because we are posting real sessions, real settings, real execution, and real results on screen. No fake talk, no shortcuts, just daily proof and consistency. Also, if you have interest in our bot, if you want information, if you want to understand how it works, or if you want to purchase and get full support, you can text us on WhatsApp anytime. We respond respectfully, we guide you properly, and we explain everything step by step. If you are stuck anywhere, or if you're confused about anything, just send a message, and we will reply properly. Now, let's start the video properly. Welcome to this challenge. Welcome to day 4. Another day, another session, another opportunity to build progress with discipline. This challenge was selected by our community members, and that makes it more special because it's not only my decision, it is a decision of the people who are watching this journey daily. You can also join our community. The link is in the description. We did proper voting for this challenge, and most people said we should start from where we ended the last challenge. So we listened to you because this series is built with you, and we keep everything open so you can follow the full journey. Now, let me explain the challenge again for the new people. Our new challenge started with $1,000. We started with $1,000 on your demand, and our target is to reach $4,000, step by step, with controlled risk, and with professional execution. This is not a one-day goal. This is a structured process, and we are sharing the process daily. A lot of people watch these videos and ask the same question. Why do you do these challenges again and again? The simple answer is, challenges keep things transparent. They show progress clearly. They show settings clearly. And they show execution without hiding anything. That way, people who are serious can learn from the workflow. And people who are new can understand how a session is planned and executed. Now I want to increase the comment engagement. So let me ask you something. How is your trading going these days? Be honest. Are you in profit? Or are you facing loss again and again? Write it in the comments. And also tell me, what market are you trading most these days? Are you trading Forex pairs? Are you trading crypto charts? Or are you trading Deriv synthetic indices? Drop your answer below. And one more question. Do you prefer short sessions? Or do you prefer long sessions? Because some people trade all day, and some people only want one clean session and stop. Tell me what type you are, so I can understand what you want to see in the next videos. Now, let's talk about the market conditions today. Crypto and Forex are moving fast. Sometimes a movement becomes sharp. Sometimes a trend changes suddenly. That is why many traders prefer Deriv, because Deriv offers synthetic markets that are available all day, and you can build a structured approach around them. You can focus on execution, you can focus on risk control, and you can focus on consistency instead of reacting emotionally. So, yes, Deriv is a great option for people who want a plan-based execution, and our premium bot helps in running a session with controlled settings. That is exactly what we are doing in this challenge. We are not trying to rush. We are not trying to trade nonstop. We are focusing on controlled entries, and we stop when the plan is completed. Now let's recall the last challenge quickly, because it gives everyone the reference of what we did recently. In the last challenge, we grew an account from $10,000 to $17,000 in 4 days. That was the result of clean execution and strict session control. And now this new challenge has started again from $1,000. So everyone can see the journey from a smaller, starting point, and follow the growth step by step. Now, let's move into today's execution. Today is the fourth day of the challenge. So we started with analyzing the market options. We checked different indices. We observed movement. We looked at conditions. And at that time, Volatility 51s was a better option. And let me clarify one important point again. The analysis you see in front of you on the video, that is just to show you that everything is real. It is not our complete deep analysis. We do deeper analysis privately with multiple confirmations. But in the video, we keep it simple so everyone can understand. After confirming the market, we went to Dbot. Our bot was already loaded there. Then we started setting up the session. We selected Volatility 51s. We set the stop loss to $280. We set the take profit to $370. And we set the stake size to $34.97. We checked every setting again, because settings matter more than people think. If you set the wrong target, you might stop too early. If you set the wrong limit, you might risk more than you planned. That is why we always verify everything before starting. Once everything was confirmed, we started the bot, and we let the system execute with control logic. Now, let me announce the results for day 4. But watch how we completed it. Watch full video. After launching our premium bot, it took just 16 minutes to reach the take profit target. The bot executed around 121 trades, with 113 wins and 8 losses. And you can see it clearly on the video, securing $371 profit from $1,874 balance. Now I want you to pause for a second and look at the flow of the session. A clean start, control runs, and a proper stop after the target. That is how sessions should be executed, because trading is not about continuing